program started off by waiting for 20 seconds so that more trash could spawn and that my robot could collect more trash as a result. So after waiting, my robot would execute the code, the function for hexagon shape with 2 parameters, which is 300mm, and 2, which stands for the length of each side and the number of shape or number of hexagon shape I'm going to draw. I incorporate the nested loop and the numerical range loop here so that it would draw 2 hexagon shape in this instance, and I know that the output of this loop would give me a hexagon because the code inside is to draw each side of a hexagon and repeating this 5 times, meaning that I'm going to draw a hexagon. And the way it works is that my robot's going to move forward for a set amount of length, which is the 300mm, and then it will turn right for this calculation. And after drawing this hexagon, it would move forward a little bit so that when it's drawing the second hexagon, it wouldn't overlap with the first one. So the logic behind my code is that the robot will detect a trash within 3 range, and it would first execute through the first range, which I've put in an if else statement, which is when the robot detects an object in front of it that the distance between the robot and the trash is within 800mm. So that it will try forward and collect the trash. The second range or radius intervals is between 800 and 1000mm. And it will do the same thing, drive forward. And this code would not be executed if it detects a trash that is closer to it, which would utilize the amount of trash that it would be able to collect. And afterward, if none of these 2 are true, then the robot's going to go for a larger radius, which is between 1000 to 1500, which is the range of about the whole map. And same thing, it would try forward towards the trash and collect it. But if there's no trash that the robot will be able to see, that would turn right until it detects another object. So to increase the way in which we can see how the robot sees different objects, I've set different colors for each radius so we can see how the robot sees the object. And it's also noticeable that I've put the avoid border function here, which incorporate an if statement that would follow these following code or statement or condition. So when the robot down eye detects a blue line or object, which is the border, or that the position x position of the robot is above 1084 or negative 1084, which is the side of the border, then it's going to stop by turning right like a random degree so that it wouldn't be eliminated by going over the border. So here you can see how the robot sees different objects through representing different color. It's trying to go to the object closest to it.